after going to Europe, I then went to Fiji for the finalization of what's called Life and Wealth Mastery. And that was actually 2 weeks after I came back from Europe. So the 2 weeks I came back, I got really, really good feedback from my team with what they needed during the summer, regardless if I was here or not. We made modifications quickly, which is super important, and open to hear your team, which I have an awesome team to get feedback from. We made modifications and then went to Fiji. And during Life and Wealth Mastery, they have what's called Platinum Partners. Platinum Partners is basically a decent investment in yourself for a year to go play around in Tony Robbins land.
Is that the highest investment that he has?
Yeah, the highest, the highest that's available. Then they have one tier up within that. But,
Got it.
But Platinum Partners is like you run around with Tony Robbins' circle for a year, and that allows you to go to every event he has.
Nice.
In anywhere on the world.
Wow.
So there are people. I know a friend of mine that I've met. He will have gone to his 17th event in 12 months next month.
Holy cow.
And he's been to England, Amsterdam, Australia, Singapore, United States, Spain, Fiji, wherever there's a Tony Robbins event, he's going, okay? So, and what's cool with that is gives you tons of exposure of just people who are living the lives that a lot of us want to do. We just don't know how. And that's important with modeling.
Right.
So modeling is finding someone who's already done what you've wanted, and are ideally, if you guys want to listen, whoever's writing this down or listening to this, ideally you want to model someone about 20 to 30% farther than you, because 20 to 30% farther than you, they can still relate to where you're at. So like someone that's a brand new person that wants to invest in real estate, I don't relate to them as much because I haven't been brand new for 15 years.
Right.
Now, I totally know what they should do.
Yeah.
Because all the mistakes they're going to make, 90% I've already done multiple times, and I want to help them not have to do that. But I think modeling is extremely, extremely important. And I think we could share, like, if we kind of reevaluate, like what we shared right now, is before you model with your outcomes or goals, first, what do you want? Second, why do you want it? And then 3 action items. And the more specific the action items, then the more specific then we have with how we're going to progress with our goals. And then as we find the people that we want to model, then we can get a better idea of how we can create the life that we're looking for now.